These are the stocks that are making the biggest run into the pre-market session. So we have ACIU Limited currently above 97% gain, RMC Technologies 97% gain, Microvision Inc. 44, almost 45%, and then SNDL Growers 19%, and finally MONP Therapeutics more than 30% gain. So what is actually the reason behind these stocks making the biggest move? So let's dive into it. So starting with ACIU, AC Immune SA pre-market session gain $15, no, trading at $15, gain 105%. So this is huge. This is really huge. So what is actually AC Immune? So AC Immune is a biopharmaceutical company who actually made a pretty good advancement into a phase 1b/2a study in response to an antibody with the Alzheimer's disease. As we can read here on the article, today the company announced positive interim results from its ongoing phase 1b/2a clinical trial evaluating in first-in-class anti-phospho-tau vaccine candidate for the treatment of Alzheimer's disease. These kinds of moves, pre-market session, are really not surprising for pharmaceutical companies, especially when they have such advancements on the treatments or the studies they make. Next one, RCMT ticker, RCM Technology. So RCM Technology is currently trading pre-market session around $8.11. So gain 120% basically. So actually closed at 369. So this is a huge jump even after hours yesterday. So what is actually making RMC Technologies jump? To be honest with you, I wasn't really able to find any news. Maybe it hasn't been disclosed yet. So even if we jump into this article here, let me just for a moment for it to open. So this is from the Investors Observer. So I'm hoping it will give us kind of a direction on why this stock is up 96%, actually more than 96%. So pretty much nothing, so it just relates technical analysis, why there is a score, and blah, 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 blah. So not really relevant. So I guess it's just maybe something due which has not been announced yet. Now, next on the list for the pre-market gainers or the potential 100% gainers for this trading session, MVIS ticker, Microvision Inc. Closed yesterday at $14. Now pre-market trading session trading around $20.21. So Microvision, it's a technology company, and today they announced a progress on their automotive long-range LiDAR A sample. So basically what they do. So they are based in the sensing technology. And today they announced that they are receiving necessary components and equipment to meet their approval milestone in completing A samples of the long-range LiDAR. So the company also announced that they will start outdoor testing of the key performance features on developing their platform. Next one on the list, SNDL Growers, so SNDL ticker. So probably one of the highest stock or the hottest stock. You may have heard of them. They are a pot stock, to say, a pot company. So they were trading yesterday at what close was at 295, and then now currently trading at 389 for a 32% gain. Like many other pot companies, SNDL is also trading higher and have been trading higher for the previous trading sessions, just because, first of all, generally the sector is expecting an agreement from government around the world in order to continue to distribute their products legally or to manufacture the products legally. Now, this is also part of the Reddit guys, the Reddit platform, social media investors, eyeing now many companies part of this part sector. And then finally, MONP Therapeutics, another biopharmaceutical, closed yesterday at $8.40, currently trading pre-market around $11.69. So 40% gain for the day. And as I was expecting, the company announced publication of a demonstrating potential utility of an MNPR 101 as an imaging agent to improve surgical outcomes in bladder cancer. So yeah, again, big news when it comes to improvement or advancement on the study for these biopharmaceutical companies. So these stocks, guys, are definitely set to have a big jump on the price intraday, but be careful because sometimes or usually pharmaceuticals are really, really volatile. So if you are planning on trading these stocks today, be really careful and it would just be a quick in and out. Otherwise, if you were following those companies previously and you are potentially in the position before the big gain, then good for you, and have a target price in order to get out. Otherwise, if you do believe that the company is a potential medium term, long term, then you can continue to hold for the term that you breathe. I don't know, whether it's few weeks, few months, or even few years. All right, guys, that's it for the big gainers for the day. Trade carefully, and see you in the next one. Cheers.